Hello and welcome. Love the simplicity and affordability of unmanaged switches, but wish you had smart features of managed ones, like VLANs and redundancy. Well, you're in luck then, as we're going to take a quick look at two new products now available on our website, both from Advantech's EKI-2716GI series. First up, the EKI-2716GI-R. It's a 16-port Gigabit unmanaged switch with dip switch controlled redundancy protocols, including X-ring support with recovery times down as low as 20 milliseconds. And in second, the EKI-2716GI-A, also a 16-port Gigabit unmanaged switch, but with dip switch controlled port-based VLAN assignment modes. We're not going to go into every technical detail today. Instead, we're going to focus on showing you how these features work in practice with a couple of short demos. So let's start with the EKI-2716GI-R and its redundancy feature using X-ring 2. So on the top of the switch, you'll find the dip switches, and to enable redundancy, set the redundancy switch to on and set the X-ring 2 to on as well. This activates Advantech's fast redundancy protocol. So here we have two identical EKI-2716GI-R units. For X-ring, we have ports 15 and 16 reserved as redundancy roles. So we've connected the devices in a ring topology with 15 to 15 and 16 to 16. In this setup, one of these connections will be active and the other will be in a standby state. If the active link fails, the standby link will instantly take over, keeping the network running without any loops or broadcast storms. So in this live test, we've got these two laptops pinging each other with both links connected. The traffic flows normally. So in a moment, I'm going to unplug one of these cables and show how the X-ring causes rapid failover redundancy, and plugging the cable back in to restore the ring and then taking out the other cable out. So let's have a quick look now. So we pull one cable and we should see at most one drop packet, and then we're back to pinging again. Restore that connection, and then we're going to pull the other part of the ring connection out. Again, at most drop one packet, then we're back to normal again. And then when we reconnect our ring, both devices pinging each other without any problems. With the EKI-2716GI-A, this has two VLAN modes, both of them selectable via the dip switch, letting you quickly segment your network without needing any management interface. In VLAN mode 1, the first 15 ports are assigned 15 separate VLANs, eliminating access switching between any of those ports, and with port 16 assigned as the trunk port having comms to all other ports. And in VLAN mode 2, the grouping changes into two sets of fixed VLANs, ports 1 through 8 in one VLAN and ports 9 through 16 in another, effectively turning this into two separate 8-port Ethernet switches. Devices on different VLANs can't talk to each other directly. So here we have a quick demo with VLAN mode 2, and you'll see that devices are on ports 1 and 2 and they can ping each other as they are on the same assignment. But if I move one connection to port 10, you'll see that drop in the connection. And if I move the other device over then to port 9, you'll see that to the same port assignment, you'll see reconnection is established. So here we should drop to unreachable. And then when we connect ourselves back over onto the same VLAN segment, connection will be re-established. As simple as that. Two separate VLAN segments, two 8-port switches. So that's a quick look at the Advantech's new EKI-2716GI series, the -R with simple dip switch redundancy and X-ring for fast failover, and the -A with a dip switch for VLAN modes for easy network segmentation. Both models are available now from our website, ready for deployment into your industrial network projects. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to IIoTzone.com, your one-stop hub for industrial IoT solutions.